Why you should own a blender. When you think of buying a blender, your first thought might be to make mixed drinks. And that's certainly fun. But did you know that you can do so much more with this handy kitchen gadget, specifically for keeping you nice and healthy? Whether you buy a big one or a small, portable one, blenders are a great tool to create lots of mouth-watering foods. There's a reason why you see so many for sale nowadays. It's because people are turning to them for the meal prep, and not just for smoothies. Although they're great for those delicious drinks, too. Think about the following scenario: you're enjoying your dinner of chicken breast, some veggies, and a complex carbohydrate. Unfortunately, the chicken is a little bland because you don't want any added sodium or sugar in your body. But what if you could create your own healthy and nutritious sauce from scratch? Well, blenders are here to save you from another bland piece of meat. Not only can you put in your favorite ingredients, but you'll be leaving out all of those additives such as sodium and bad fats. Just scour the web for some delicious recipes. Another great use for a blender is making soup. While cans of soup are good to have on hand for a quick, last-minute meal, they're often loaded with sodium and ingredients that are hard to pronounce. But by keeping some fresh food on hand along with a blender, you're only a little ways away from a hearty soup that's high in flavor and low in sodium. Make your own vegetable, chicken noodle and beef soup, in almost the same amount of time that it takes to heat up a can. I'm sure you've seen people upload photos of their smoothies to social media. And if you haven't tried a hearty smoothie for breakfast, boy are you missing out. Whether you use a pre-made mix and add your own fruit and veggies, or you create yours from scratch, you'll need a blender to make one yourself. And what better way to start your day than with a fresh, high-fiber, low-fat, and delicious smoothie? All of that protein and fiber is exactly what your body needs, too. The protein will keep you full, while the fiber will chomp away and fat and cholesterol. If you'd like more nutrition hacks, then head on over to One Medical and see what else they suggest. Their website is full of ideas that are sure to keep you on the right path to success. And make sure you purchase a blender for your kitchen. They even make handheld ones that you can mix and drink straight from the cup, too. Please don't forget to like and click the subscribe red button. Thank you.